Training Squadron is the heritage squadron to the 99th Pursuit Squadron, formed in 1941 as the first all-black Tuskegee Airmen Squadron, as known at Tuskegee, Alabama. And so we've been carrying on that lineage. As you can tell by our tails, we have a red tail flash, much like the Red Tail Angels, as they were nicknamed during World War II. And right now we're training future instructors to go be pilot training instructors at the various undergraduate pilot training bases at Vance, Columbus, and Laughlin, and we're stationed at Randolph Air Force Base teaching future instructor pilots.
This helicopter was built in 1962. It's a B model made by Bell Helicopter. It served in Vietnam in 1965. In 1966, it came back and was stored for a long time. And a mosquito spraying outfit in Florida bought it, used it, and then we bought it off of eBay when it was a Hulk and was nothing there about 8 years ago. We've been flying it to air shows since about 2002. It's a gunship, and it was with the 118th Bandits in Vietnam. It has several bullet holes that have been patched. It's got one engine, an L11, and it has about 900 horsepower and one engine. And we like to fly it and come out to air shows and let everybody learn the history.